Hey everybody, it's Brandon with Learning the CharaChorder, where I am taking you on the journey of how I'm learning how to use a CharaChorder, specifically the CharaChorder One device that I just purchased. Now, I actually haven't received my CharaChorder just yet. So first of all, if you're looking at buying one, make sure you're going down to the affiliate links down below. There's a 20% off coupon when you use that affiliate link, which is better than you're going to find on the CharaChorder website. Now, when you're buying, make sure that you're looking at when your CharaChorder is going to be delivered. They're actually turning out to be quite popular, and so they're taking about 3 to 4 months as of where we're at, beginning of September 2022, to be shipped to your address. So just make sure you're checking that. I did not check that and even bought expedited shipping. I was so excited to buy it, and clearly if I'm having to wait a few months to get it, speeding it up by a few days is not going to make that big of a difference, but do make sure you're checking to see when you're going to be getting your CharaChorder. Now, in the meantime, one of my fears that I shared in the first video was that I was worried I would not put in the time, the effort, or the energy to learn the CharaChorder, and I didn't want the excitement of purchasing the CharaChorder to fade out. And so by having to wait a little while, I'm trying to find creative ways to keep myself engaged and keep the energy level up with the CharaChorder. And so I'm thinking through what can I be doing today to help me go ahead and sit down at the CharaChorder and just start going at it. And so I know that I'm not going to place my fingers on this CharaChorder device and automatically know where everything is, but how can I give myself the best opportunity to at least limit some of the frustration or the stress that's going to come with learning a new keyboard? I can see me getting very frustrated not knowing where the keys are. So I've gone ahead and started studying, if you will. So I have developed a flashcard system online that is helping me go ahead and learn the key positions. So something that I can do in advance is start learning where the key positions are. So they have online a quick reference guide for the CharaChorder One that's going to show you what each finger does, and if you move it up, down, left, or right, it's going to show you what character or function it's going to click in. So with that, I didn't want to sit and actually stare at this screen because it kind of gives you the answers to it. I wanted to challenge myself on memorizing these as quickly as I can. So that's why I created the flashcards. And so the flashcards for me, I give myself the letter or the function, and I have to remember, number one, what finger am I going to use to do this? And I have to then recall what direction am I moving it? Is it up, down, left, or right? And that way I'm going ahead and thinking of what finger do I need to do. And one thing that I'm putting in there is I know muscle memory is really important for using these keys, is I'm trying to actually move my finger. Like you'll actually see me, if you watch me doing flashcards, you'll see me like move my finger in the direction that I'm thinking of so that I can go ahead and start making that connection. Now I recognize that when I get the CharaChorder, I've seen a lot of the videos that they've made on TikTok. It looks like they're moving not that much at all, like it's just little amounts. So I'm really curious what that CharaChorder is going to feel like when I put it in the palm of my hands and I move. I know my practicing is not the right method. I almost feel like I need to start doing some finger exercises to move in different directions. But I think that once the CharaChorder comes, by going ahead and memorizing what the different key positions are, finger movements are, that should make the process a little bit easier so that I'm not always looking at the quick reference guide as soon as I get it. And so I really think that that's going to cut down on just some of the frustration of learning a new keyboard device. I'm already going to know where the keys are because I've memorized those. I'm just going to have to work on the actual movements to make those happen and then make that recall of where the keys are happen much, much quicker. The other thing that I'm doing is, I'm trying to get engaged in the CharaChorder community. So they have a Discord website. I've never personally used Discord before. I've never heard of it, but now that I have a CharaChorder account with Discord, I'm starting to see it in a lot of different places, but they follow hashtags and it's a great community that really shares best practices, tips, even answers questions. There's some contributors there that are just wonderful at answering everybody's questions. I personally haven't gone in and commented yet. I've been, more on the watching side, but it's just a way that I can keep myself engaged, keep the excitement up as I wait for the CharaChorder to be delivered. All right, everyone, so this is Brandon with Learning the CharaChorder. Just wanted to quickly share with you what I'm doing to prepare myself for when the CharaChorder arrives and how I'm practicing a CharaChorder without actually having a CharaChorder.